If the admin wants, they can filter out the content of the table using these filters. So the first one is the assignment. So based on all the assignments, whichever assignment the admin selects, suppose they select this one. So this particular assignment would only be shown in the table. And then all the students to whom this assignment has been assigned, it will be shown. So the table has basically filtered out based on this particular assignment. If they want to see whether the assignment has been started, not started, or completed, so the admin can select any and they can filter out. So the table's content would get filtered out. Then, based on the tutor, also the admin can filter out the table. And then below we have the bulk auctions. So we'll remove this filter. Now, if the admin wants to take any bulk action, what they can do is they can select or they can suppose if they want to take bulk action to these five. So they've selected them. If the admin wants to resend these assignments, they can click on this resend button. Once they do that, a confirmation model will appear. If the admin clicks on resend, you can see that the assignment has been resent to all the students. Similarly, the admin can take bulk action for delete. If they want to delete all these assignments, the admin can simply click all, then click on delete, a confirmation model will appear. If they click on delete, the assignments would get deleted. If they want to mark all these assignments as completed, so what the admin can do is suppose they want to mark these three assignments as completed. So they'll select these, they'll click on mark completed. Once they confirm, you can see that these assignments have been marked as completed. And then the admin can proceed to view the report for these assignments. So these are some of the bulk actions that the admin can take. And this is how the admin can use filters to filter out the content of the data.